So we have it now 55 minutes in the oven. How it comes out. Look at this. It's very hot. So you can burn yourself. Be careful. Look at this. Inside, and then we will cut it. Fantastic. You will see. See you later. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today we'll cook another traditional and favorite Greek dish. They call it Pastitsio. But before everything, you press the buttons like, subscribe and notification. Let's get started. And for the ingredients we need ground beef 1 kilo, macaroni, the parsley, caviar cheese 250 gram, red wine, onions, garlic, feta cheese, eggs, herbs, laurel leaves, cinnamon, piment, muscat, thyme. We need butter, tomato in chunks, milk, flour, tomato paste, salt, black pepper, white pepper and olive oil. Here it is. For this one, for all these ingredients, I have my baking foam. It's 40 to 28 and 6 centimeter deep. We start now. How now I'm grating caviar. It's a hard cheese, but you can use also Parmesan instead of the caviar. So I'm using 250 gram because of my baking form. So you take the ingredients always according to the baking form you have. The smaller the form, the less ingredients you need. The caviar for the bechamel, and on top, before we put it in the oven. So the pastitsio needs a little bit of preparation. It's not a fast food. You make in half an hour, takes a little bit more. We start with minced meat, then make the bechamel together with the pasta. I try. It starts already. So start with the onions. So you sear it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now I put 2.5 spoons of tomato paste. And this you like really reduce a little bit the fire on half. And this you have to sear at least for 3 to 4 minutes. It will give a nice taste. I give a little bit of time. Beef inside 1 kilo beef. That's how we wanted to have it. See that color? Now it's a time to put in 100-120 milliliter of red wine, and you let it evaporate completely. So all the taste goes now in the meat. It's now all the wine, and you can see it's only the sauce now from the meat. No more wine. And now we put 600 gram of tomatoes inside. We reduce the fire on half. The leaves, 2. Cinnamon. And the piment. And we let it for about 20 to 30 minutes. And black pepper. So we have to separate the white and the yolk. That is what I'm doing now here. So the pasta is required for 8 minutes to cook, to be al dente. I will cook it 2 minutes less, because it will be still boiling in the oven then later. Sauce is done. It gives all the taste. You don't want to bite on it when you eat it. So you take it out and I stir it. The milk should be not cold and not hot, and we put it slowly inside and we stir it. Nice and creamy bechamel. I'll add some more. Look how creamy. Makes already blood now. Means it's done. Our cheese. And a quarter of muscat. And now I mix it again to get down the temperature. First I have to add the egg, and I don't want to have boiled eggs inside. And now comes our 3 eggs. And our bechamel is ready. Now I put some parsley inside. And 1 spoon of the soup of the bechamel. So while you do this, you have to prepare your oven to preheat it on 180 degrees. Top of it. 45 minutes or 50 in the oven. So we have it now 55 minutes in the oven. That's how it comes out. That's how it comes out. Look at this. Leave it there for about 40 minutes. It still get a little bit more hard inside. Now we cut.
So the first piece never comes out nicely. Always
So this is the pasticcio of my husband. His favorite pasticcio, like what do you call this in Deutsch?
Nudelauflauf.
Nudelauflauf. In like a lasagna in Italy. So cheers.
Cheers.
Let's try it. Delicious. Very delicious. Nochmal ein Nostimo. He forgot to say now the ending, so I will say it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button so you won't miss any of our videos for our food from different places, especially in Greece. And then we learn from different places. We eat new recipe coming and more activity. So bis später. Ciao.
Bye. Fantastic. You will see. See you later.